My name is Lindsay Harrelson, and today I'm going to introduce you to an amazing resource called ZapWorks. ZapWorks is an augmented reality creator and was voted Best Authoring or Publishing Tool in the Augie Awards in 2017. Let's begin. In order to reach this resource, type in https://zap.works. This will bring you to the ZapWorks homepage. In the top right corner, you can register for an account or log into your existing account. I'm going to log into the account I have already created. As you can see, I have already created a few Zap codes. When you first create an account, you have access to instructional videos outlining how to use the three main tools provided. These three tools are ZapWorks Widgets, ZapWorks Designer, and ZapWorks Studio. I will demonstrate how to use the first two, Widgets and Designer. In order to create any new experience assigned with a Zap code, click Make a new Zap code in the top left corner. This will open up a screen that allows you to name and choose the shape of your Zap code. Click Continue. Next, it will ask you what tool you wish to use. We will use Widgets first. Click Create Zap code. This will add your new Zap code to your dashboard. To edit the Zap code and create content, click the Zap code. This will bring you to a screen that shows you how many times the Zap code has been used, how many times a day it was used, options to share the Zap code to Facebook or Twitter, download or edit the physical Zap code, and edit Zap code content. We're going to edit the Zap code content. ZapWorks provides prompts to help you use the software. You can change the color of the Zap code, choose a widget from the toolbox located on the right side of the screen, and publish it by clicking Publish button found at the top of the toolbox. The toolbox contains widgets that can add images, photo albums, videos, sounds, contacts, calendar events, and web links to your Zap code. I have created a Zap code using widgets for the C2L website. It contains a link to the C2L website, contact information for both of the co-coordinators using the contact widget, and the proposal deadline using the calendar event widget. The web link widget requires that you add a URL. Then you can have the site generate a screenshot, or you can upload a custom image. The contact widget has options to upload an image of the contact, add their first name, last name, company, email address, phone numbers, physical address, websites, and social media. The calendar event widget allows you to name the event, add an email address for RSVPs, start date, end dates, start and end times, time zones, the location, and a URL. The generated Zap code can be downloaded and added to a worksheet for the students to scan, where all of the information can be accessed from their phones. You can also create a Zap code using Designer. Click Make a new Zap code. Name the Zap code and choose the style you wish to have. Click Designer and then Create Zap code. Click to edit the Zap code from your dashboard. This will lead you to an introductory video to Designer and two options. Start without a tracking image and download your Zap code. Select Download your Zap code. You can choose what your Zap code will look like from the multiple options provided. download the Zap code and save it for later. You will want to add this to your tracking picture. Click Continue. This will bring you to a new screen where you can download your Zap code or upload the tracking image. Click Upload Tracking Image. This image needs to contain the Zap code. After authorizing the tracking image, you can begin. Like the widget's capabilities, you are provided with a toolbox on the right side of the screen. But new widgets are added, including the text and button widgets. The Designer tool allows the Zap code to have multiple scenes or slides in the experience. I have created a Zap code using Designer on C2L. It contains a button that, when clicked, takes the user to the website. On the second scene, the user has access to the C2L contact information. I used the button widget, which automatically adds a button. You can change the text of the button You can change what it does whenever it is clicked. You can link it to a website, dial a phone number, compose an email, save a contact, or add to calendar. You can edit the transitions and the appearance of the border, the shape, and size. I've also created a biology Zap code using Designer to demonstrate how it would work in a classroom setting. This Zap code is located on a picture of a plant cell that would be printed and passed out to the students in the class. They would scan the Zap code using the Zapper app. This would lead them to see the virtual tour of a plant cell and the attached assignment, and an interactive game that allows the students to identify the different organelles of the plant cell. This uses the video widget, where you can upload your own video, add a YouTube video, or add a Vimeo video. It also uses the text widget. Here, you can edit the text, edit the color of the text, what it does when you tap it, transitions, and the appearance of the text. Additionally, it uses the button widget. The third tool, Studio, requires that the user download the tool onto his or her computer. Through it, the user can create their own 3D images and experiences using coding. The program includes a detailed instruction manual on how to use it. ZapWorks does require a paid subscription for membership, but teachers in a department could come together to pay for the subscription and share it to help spread the cost. ZapWorks is an incredible tool that can enhance any classroom experience using augmented reality. It places the entire experience in the hands of the teacher.